Let's now go to Pia Bonalo. She's at a food house in Quezon City. Good morning, Pia.
Amelin, coconuts are considered a wonder fruit by many because of its numerous health benefits. Here at a coconut house in the middle of Quezon City, they offer a lot of dishes made with coconut, and they also sell merchandise made with this wonder fruit rather. With me is manager Chrismer Del Castillo to tell us all about it. Good morning, Chrismer.
Hi, good morning, Ms. Pia.
Can you tell me, dito sa Coconut House, aside from the dishes, meron din kayong mga binibentang mga merchandise na gawa sa coconut. Ano-ano bang mga merchandise ang meron kayo?
Yes, aside from the fact that we are a restaurant, isa rin sa mga binibenta namin dito or yung mga merchandise product natin. As for example, yung ating tubig nyog, isa siya sa mga kino-consider na alternative for sports drinks. For the fact na isa siya sa natural products ng coconut. And then same as well with coconut skim milk. Yun yung parang alternative natin for the animal's milk. So isa rin siya sa mga kino-consider natin na helpful kung tutusin.
And then aside from that, meron din kayong virgin coconut oil and cocoa sugar. Saan ba pwedeng gamitin tong mga gantong produkto?
Yes. Virgin coconut oil, alam naman natin, for example, marami siyang benefits. Like, for example, antibacterial. Marami siyang benefits kung tutusin. And then, we consider also yung coconut sugar, low glycemic. So, considering yung mga diabetics. So, isa siya sa mga number one piniprefer natin for the diabetics.
Very healthy yung coconut, no? Ang dami niyang mga health benefits. And ito, ginagamit niyo rin sa madami ninyong mga recipes. Ano-ano bang mga pagkain ang meron tayo this morning?
Yes. Actually, bukod sa, from the name itself, Coconut House, hindi talaga nawawala ang mga coconut, yung coconut products sa aming mga recipe. Like, for example, yung ating coco okoy. Coco okoy, aside from being vegetarian, yung veggies niya, meron siya mga coconut meat na kasama. So, isa sa mga bestseller namin dito sa Coconut House. Same as well with ating pancit buko. So, yun. Yung pancit buko natin, ginagamitan natin siya ng buko strips. So, compared to yung ordinary noodles, yun yung ginagamit natin sa kanya. So, alternatively, yun yung ginagamit. Same as well with yung ating pork sinigang sa buko. So, yung pinaka-unit dito is ginagamitan siya ng buko juice. Sinasamahan siya ng buko juice para mas maging masarap siya. Okay. So, same as well yung mga ating products, almost all of it may mga kasamang buko.
So ito, usually, yung mga traditional na pagkaing Pinoy na sanay na tayong kainin, nilalagyan nyo ng coconut touch. Ano na yung magiging lasa niya, bale?
Actually, maraming nagiging curious. So, nagtatanong sila at first kung ano yung nagiging lasa. But in the end, bumabait sila. Marami kami mga regular customers na talagang nagpo-prove na masarap ang aming mga products. Kasi alam naman natin ang coconut, maraming health benefits. So, yun yung ini-introduce namin. So, ayun yung hinahain namin sa kanila.
I'm sure it will also give these dishes a very nutty taste. And then, of course, meron din kayo very interesting mga ice cream naman. Can you tell me what's unique about your ice creams?
Yes, actually, yung ice cream namin, aside from being non-dairy, so yung non-dairy ice cream natin, we use coconut milk. So, very unique kung tutusin. So, usually, yung coconut milk natin, coconut ice cream, ini-introduce natin sila sa mga yung mga mothers, like for example, yung mga alam mo yan, yung coconut milk natin is very nutritious. So, yun yung pinapromote namin, most especially sa mga diabetic.
Okay. And then may iba siyang flavor or coconut ice cream lang ba ang meron?
Actually, we promote coconut ice cream. Like for example, yung ating Saburami. So, isa siya sa mga pinapromote natin dito. One of our specialty here at Coconut House. Same as well with Coco Mango Jubilee. Okay. They all using coconut milk. Same with yung ating Coco Delight. Ito yung Coco Delight, we use coconut milk here as well.
So madaming different flavors, everything made with coconut. Thank you very much, Chrismer.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Pia. Salamat po.
There you have it, Chrismer Del Castillo of Coconut House telling us all about the wonderful world of coconuts. Jing, Amelin.
Thank you, Pia.